Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to put a picture on another picture using Windows Paint. So firstly open Paint and after that click on File. Now click on Open. Now select your image. In my case I want to select this image. Now friends, in here click on Transparent Selection. Then click on Select All. Now right click on it. Then click on Copy. Now again click on File. Click on Open. Now select your second image. Now right click on this image and click on Paste. So like this you can combine both image. Very simple and easy method. Firstly click on Open and click on first image. Click on Select. Check this box Transparent Selection. Then click on Select All. Right click on it and click on Copy. Now open your second image and right click here and paste. That's it. So friends, by this very easy and simple method you can put a picture on another picture. Hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and also friends subscribe my channel for latest update.